Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. We're just jumping around the yard today. I wanted to show you how the pineapple patch is doing. There it is. So we had 8 in the last video. So we'll count out again. They're a little bigger this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's a 6th. I didn't see that one before, so that's 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we have 9. So that's a good sign. We were expecting 8. Now we have 9. These pineapples, we started pretty much all of them from either this right here that you see, which is a pineapple head, or this right here that you see, which is a pineapple pup that grows off of the side of this stalk, like after it bears the fruit. So we're just expanding the patch slowly but surely. But here you see it's exponential expansion of yield, and pineapples do very well in Florida. I consider this zone 9B because based on our longitude, we're mostly surrounded by zone 9B. But for some reason, USDA agricultural zone puts us 2 miles in to 10A, zone 10A on the east coast. But I really don't consider us zone 10A because we suffer all the exact same weather conditions as zone 9B. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out a lot. And stay tuned as we monitor the progress of this pineapple patch and expose to you the amazing yield that we're going to experience this year. Have a good day.